Humor towards your baby's other parent. We try to be politically correct. It's instinctive to say baby's father, but nowadays there are many women in same-sex relationships, and there are many women having children without the biological father there, either because they choose to or because of the circumstances, and others are having IVFs, which means that the biological father may not be involved. But humor to that other is really important. Thankfully, if you're feeling better at 12 weeks or 16 weeks or sometime during these 12 weeks, then it's easier for you to lighten up and to be more gracious and to be more forgiving and to be more tolerant and to be more patient. All of those are qualities of humor. Humor, as we mentioned, does not have to be rolling on the ground with laughter. It just means to sort of soften. If you've been rigid, soften and relax. If you've been angry a lot of the time, be less angry and be more forgiving. If you've been impatient, be more patient and be more grateful. So all of these are components of humor, and your partner will appreciate that. If you have a close relationship, the closer you are, the more psychologically and emotionally damaged men can be if they don't understand what's been happening in you. So as we've mentioned, help them understand, be aware of their confusion, and be tolerant. And just know that this first part of this second phase, 12 weeks to perhaps 16 weeks or so, can still be the lingering uncomfortableness of the first 12 weeks. There's always a bit of an overlap, but there's also this bit of a change. And for most women, even if there are health issues that have been defined, 12 weeks to 24 weeks begins to feel better, and 24 to 36 weeks also begins to feel better. So there's this in-between period of these 5 phases in which you do feel better. And so allow yourself to reflect that and enjoy being pregnant. We don't want this course to always highlight the difficulties, but it's hard not to sometimes because those are the challenges that people need to rise above. So remember, be humorful or be more lighthearted with your baby's other parent.